Just finished seismically bracing this unit to the floor. In this video I'll show you what's the hardware that's involved here in getting this one done. It's a good looking unit, ready for an earthquake. Straightforward. You need to consider your layout, the machine's width and depth, including what interferes with the depth is this distance here, because it needs to be plugged in. Don't just measure the machine's width on the bottom, because there are electrical and plumbing features here that add to the depth of the machine. That needs to be added to consider for the bracket placement. Once you're happy with your layout and it's a square layout, obviously mark the locations of the holes like so, something that you can actually see on the floor. And you do need a hammer drill with the depth length of the bolt marked like so with tape. So you need a skinny drill bit and one that matches the diameter of the bolt. That's how it looks like with the small drill bit pre-drilled. You need to run your vacuum at all times on this. The bigger holes have been drilled out here. The bolts are going in. I'm just gonna grab the impact gun. Once these bolts have been tightened, and I didn't use a power tool, I just used this on a very short handle, very straightforward, 3/4 inch socket for this bolt. We're gonna be making up this hardware sandwich, left side, right side. So these bars can pivot, which is fine, even when it's tightened down. Find your distances on the threaded rod, how these all will work together best. This one will stop the back of the unit from rolling any closer to the wall. It protects the outlet. That's about it. Obviously the front unit is going to be rolled back. We'll just install it after the fact like so. And the bolts don't need to be super tight in this direction because they hold up and down in an earthquake when everything is bouncing. So clamping force is not critical here. It doesn't need to strip the threads off this threaded rod or bend the tabs on this bracket. There's no need to overpower this. It needs to just stay in place so the hooks of the straps can stay in place and stop the unit from bouncing and stop it from rolling forward. I pushed the unit back for a test fit. It's obviously good side to side, and it's also good front to back. Where this is gonna end up is just close to the wheel, so that's nice. That's gonna be nice. That goes to the back. Let's take a look at the back this way. Yeah, the cord is protected, nice. Nothing is damaged on the back wall. All the hoses have enough space. Nice, nice, nice. Now that we know the layout is good and the hardware is good, we can hook up the first two straps, because after the unit is in place, it's not going to be possible to reach into the tight space. And we're just going up and over the top. And then you just need to tighten the straps in a place that isn't interfering with anything. This one has an open top with, ouch, fine wires down below. Oh yeah, we needed to reposition that hook to be facing the same way as this one and all the other three. And then all the handles are facing up the same way. And I just put 2 half hitches on to kind of shorten the tail end, but keep it out of the wiring space here. I say, and this is 10 out of 10.